ken jingken politics.
Mai Chaprang movement leader Michael's aim stressed the need to amend the Meghalaya Succession to Self-Acquired Property Khasi and Jaintia Special Provision Act 1986 to Meghalaya Equitable Succession to Self-Acquired and Ancestral Property Khasi and Jaintia Special Provision Act. Speaking to reporters on Mondays, AIM said that it is high time that the people support this amendment so that both sons and daughters can benefit and not just one section. He also said that he wants the law altered so that it also covers ancestral property and not just self-acquired property. He informed that he will launch this campaign to garner support from the public. It is high time that this amendment gets public support so that all children get equal benefits, he stated.